Let's learn some daily use complicated sentences what we are using in our day to day life. अगर वो तुम्हें बुला रहा था तुम्हें उसके साथ जाना चाहिए था. If he was calling you, you should have gone with him. अगर तुम चाहती हो तो तुम्हें यहाँ रहना चाहिए था. If you want, you should have stayed here. अगर तुम्हें भूख लग रही थी तुम्हें मुझे भोजन मांगना चाहिए था. If you were feeling hungry, you should have asked food from me. अगर तुम मंदिर जाना चाहती थी तुम्हें जाना चाहिए था. If you wanted to go to temple, you should have gone there. अगर तुम्हारे पास इतना सारा पैसा था तुम्हें ये पैसा खर्च करना चाहिए था. If you had this much money, you should have खर्च is called what spent. You should have spent. Okay, so it will be you should have spent that money. तुम अगर चाहती थी वहाँ जाने के लिए तो तुम्हें वहाँ जाना चाहिए था. If you wanted to go there, you should have gone there. अगर तुम्हारे माँ तुम्हें बुला रहे थे तो तुम्हें उनकी बात सुननी चाहिए थी. If your mother were calling you, you should have listened her. अगर तुम्हारे पिताजी तुम्हें पैसे दे रहे थे तुम्हें ले लेना चाहिए था. If your father was giving you money, you should have taken this. अगर तुम्हारे घर में मुश्किल है तुम्हें घर में रह जाना चाहिए था. If there are problems in your home, you should be stayed there. You should have stayed there. अगर तुम्हारे पास इतने सारे मुसीबतें हैं तो तुम्हें उन मुसीबतों को समाधान करना चाहिए था. If you have this much problems, you should have solved these problems. अगर तुम्हें मुझसे पैसे चाहिए था तो तुम्हें मुझे मांगना चाहिए था. If you wanted money from me, you should have asked from me.